I want to turn to the point about acquisitions that you said right up front. And what is the plan there? Again, commentary suggests that you're looking to acquire 3 to 4 companies in the digital space and kind of just add it up with the billion-dollar target that you have. So, what's the strategy going to be there, and what specific actions?
So $1 billion aspiration target to reach that number by 2031. That requires us to do a CAGR growth of about 25%. And our this year's for guidance on revenue growth was also 25%. If you step back, the 25% number growth that we had given for this year is both organic and inorganic put together. So inorganic has a very key role to play in your growth model as well. Now, coming to acquisitions, we would like to do the 3 acquisitions, but these are all binary in nature. We have got a good pipeline of companies that we are already in discussion with. We would have wanted to close at least 1 or 2 of them earlier than later. But with the way things have progressed, because this is not just about valuations, it's about you need to structure, you need to align their business, you need to get agreement from the people on the other side, because it's finally a people to people, it's a people business at the end of the day. And there is a huge amount of work that needs to be done on alignment, whether it is culture. You can't change culture, but you at least need to make sure that you don't step on each other's feet. You need to give them space and all of that. So those are the things which are taking a little bit of time to sort out, along with the valuations. And we hope to do at least 1 or 2 during the course of this year.
Venkat, obviously not the names, but could you hint towards the nature of the companies that you are targeting at, looking at apples, oranges, or strawberries?
Oh, yeah. We are looking at 100% digital company because we are about 96% digital. So the best place would be to, look at adding to capabilities and competencies with companies who are 100% digital. The size of the companies that we are having in our pipeline or in our long list range from 10 million to 45 million plus. Profitable companies, because I don't think we would want to buy into a company or partner with a company and then get into turnaround, because that will be too much of effort. So we are looking for profitable companies which will take us into certain verticals of our choice, strengthen key verticals like healthcare. The last acquisition that we did in December strengthened our capabilities significantly in healthcare segment. Also took us to tier 2 market like Madurai and Coimbatore. So these are the aspects that we look for. Digital companies which are into product engineering, or they can help us add capabilities into certain competencies or verticals.
Is this where you will deploy partly or fully the recent cash raise? What's the plan for the money that you raised?
So we today have cash resources or cash balance of about 1,200 crores, and we are adding to that every year through our own cash generation, close to 200 crores. The QIP that we raised, that's what you are referring to, was about 500 crores. And
Right.
that was partly to fund our organic and inorganic growth needs. So, fungible cash, we'll have to replace one with another and make sure that we meet our capital structure appropriately. But like you rightly said, a large part of that will go to funding our strategic initiatives.
Yeah, so despite all the push towards digital, and digital is great, cashless payments, cashless economy, cash on the balance sheet of a company is always the best. Cash is king when it comes to balance sheets, and investors are always very happy to note that. Of course, in certain cases, some investors would like for more aggressive utilization of the cash and not just treasury income.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.